drive your vehicle?
Yes.
And that person that you allowed to drive your vehicle, you were pulled over by the Detroit police at that time, correct?
Yes.
They were. And at that time, that person that you allowed to drive your vehicle did not have a driver's license. Is that the case?
Yes.
And you allowed them to drive anyway. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. The court is going to accept your plea to the allowing an unlicensed person to drive under a 3-month delay. I did say that I would take it a step further and dismiss the matter upon payment of $240. I will give you as much time as you need to pay. I will dismiss the state matters based on your plea to the city and based on the fact that you paid 2 other civil infractions that you rolled along with these tickets. Mrs. Gaskin, I'm going to put a date in there of September 21st to pay these matters. Again, you do have that time, but I would suggest that you get these matters paid off sooner rather than later, because the sooner you pay it, the $240, the case will be dismissed. I will waive all warrant fees, but Mrs. Gaskin, you're going to be responsible to pay reinstatement fees. That responsibility is not a part of this order. I'm just giving you that information to let you know that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 $45 reinstatement fees that you're going to be obligated to pay. And I'm worried about the $240. When I get the $240 for this case, we'll close it out. But before you get a license, you're going to have to go to the you're going to have to come down here and pay those $45. So if you get that all at one time, it would be proof of you to take care of all of that and get these matters closed out, and you can go.
Okay, how many $45 do I have to pay?
6 of them.
6 of them?
Yes. Plus the $240. All I'm concerned about today is the $240.
Okay, and I can I pay the $45 down at the court?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. And all the other matters will be dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fees.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions?
No, that's all.
All right. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Gladney.
How you doing?
All right, Neil Gray, you got that? Does she have anything else? Thank you, Mr. Gladney. I have an offer here to resolve that last ticket that you have. Well, there's only one because you paid. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's why I gave that.
And the city attorney is willing to allow you to resolve that with a.
You said he paid first.
He paid. He got the first matter closed out. What did you get the ticket for? The first matter was no registration.
It was no registration and a speeding ticket. I went to the.
I know. Okay, so you got stopped speeding, and he gives you a no registration ticket. The no registration ticket was dismissed.
Yeah. And that just happened today. I had to go up there and show the proof, and it was a whole mix-up.
I don't understand how you had to go show it to proof today.
Yeah, because the first judge never correctly put it into the system. That's what happened.
Who did you show the proof to today?
I went to the court today, and she went to her. So her supervisor was Jackie. Jackie gave me a call and said that it was resolved. I'm not sure what her last name was.
We just blockading.
Okay, so here it is. You got caught speeding anyway, which got you pulled over. So the deal today is to get everything resolved is you pay $175, will amend the speeding ticket to a blockading traffic. That is a 0-point offense. That is no abstraction. That is just a civil infraction. The Secretary of State will never know. You pay the $175 and the case will be closed out. You want to accept that?
Yes, sir. I already got that money in my bond there as well, so y'all can take that right away.
Okay.
Saying today's his last day suspension, you can actually get his license tomorrow if he pays it today.
Oh, if you get that paid today, now here. So I'm being told that today is the last day of your suspension. So if you pay this ticket today, then you will be clear and your license will be automatically.
If you pay the reinstatement fee.
If you pay the reinstatement fee. So what the deal is that are you still down here? Are you still down here at the court?
I'm not. I'm all the way back, and I'm in Wayne, Michigan right now. I'm about 50 minutes. I done just drove all the way back. I got I left $216 on the bond.
I know, but the problem with it is that unless you come down to the window and tell them to automatically apply that bond, then my clerk has to request that bond to be applied, and that's going to take over a month.
Oh, I'd have to come back, man.
And then, or what you can do is to save yourself a trip. If you got another $175, you can go online and pay it, and then that bond will be refunded to you.
That's the line for reinstatement.
There's no reinstatement.
Should they ever suspend?
No, it's no reinstatement.
Also,
Just the 175. The 175, you can pay that 175 online today, and then you'll be all clear, and you're just gonna have to wait a month or more for the bond to come back to you. It's your choice.
I'd rather wait, and I'd rather just come back down there and tell them to release the bond.
All right, let's put this on the record. This is the city of Detroit versus Kirvani Gladney, case number SP 1119280. Mr. Gladney, we talked about the offer, which would be to amend the speeding ticket to a blockading traffic. That's a 0-point offense. That's no abstraction. It's just a civil infraction, so it won't be on your record. It will fine you $175 for that matter. Do you want to avail? I understand you want to avail yourself to that offer, right?
Correct. Yes.
He already took the offer in February, blockading 175. He failed to pay, so he owes the money. We could take off the late fees instead.
Take off the late fees. Okay, so what I'm told, you've already took the offer to blockading, so we're not doing anything. What we can do now is try to get you, because obviously if you take off the late fees, it's dropped down from 135, so they applied $40 to it.
Because he paid, $40.
So you must have paid $40 toward this ticket at some point. So what the problem is you never finished paying for it.
That was all. My only payment was today. I never paid anything else for it.
Oh, okay. Well, anyway, it's already done. You already got blockading traffic. So now you owe another $135. And it's already in the system, and you took out the penalty and late fee.
Yes.
All right, so now it's $40 somewhere went to this ticket, so you got $135 more. If you have a bond, let's see. Yes, you have a bond, a cash bond, $171. You should be able to tell them at the court downstairs to apply that bond to this ticket, and it will be everything will be resolved.
Okay.
All right. If you have any trouble, you can give the court a call, and we can see if we can help you further. But that'll conclude this matter. So that doesn't well, all that other stuff we just talked about is moot. All right?
Okay.
All right. All right. Well, they'll be waiting on you at the window to and just tell them you want to apply that bond to the ticket. And they'll know what you're talking about.
All right.
All right. Have a great day.
It was well, sir. Oh, and I got another question. Could I get a proof? Because I got a driving with suspended license ticket as well. But it's not. Yeah, it's not with Wayne. It was yesterday as well. It was not with Wayne County.
Well, you're going to be able to get. I don't know how that's going to affect.
Schedule a court date.
Yes.
And let them know that you have a valid driver's license.
And they may do something for you.
They will, most likely they will do something like, we helped them out today. They probably do the same thing.
So I can't guarantee, I don't know about that court, but we try to take care of you down here at the 36th District Court.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah, I can only do what I can. My situation got messed up, so I'm trying to do the best I can.
You doing it? All right. Good luck to you, and have a great day.
You as well, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I have Mrs. Camille Gray, and I see you're on. You need to unmute yourself, Miss Gray.
Hello, yes.
How are you today?
I'm well.
Okay, Mrs. Gray, I'm going to ask you to pull over.
I am. I'm over.
All right. I don't want you to.
She's outside the court.
You outside the court too?
No, I was. I left.
All right. So I have 3 matters in front of me.
Mm-hmm.
And I have a no registration, no insurance, and allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The deal is to plead to the first count of allowing an unlicensed person to drive. I'll give you a 3-month delay, and I'll do the same as I did for the other person. I'll dismiss upon payment of the $240 fine I'm going to impose on that.
Pardon me?
I said, well, the deal here is to, let's just put this on the record. This is City of Detroit versus Camille Leanne Gray, case number SP 1151249, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mrs. Gray, here's the offer. The offer is to plead straight up to the allowing an unlicensed person to drive under a 3-month delayed sentence. What that means is allowing an unlicensed person to drive is really, in this case, it's going to be nothing if you comply and do everything that you're supposed to do. But is a misdemeanor offense, but it's non-abstractable, meaning the Secretary of State doesn't know about it, and there's no points attached to it. And the other 2 cases, which are also misdemeanors, will be dismissed. And when I tell you, like I tell the other people, I'll offer you a 3-month delayed sentence. You're shaking your head as if you don't like it.
No, it's not that I don't like it, Your Honor. I was in a situation, I had a surgery in November, and I was under restrictions from driving. So the day that I caught the ticket, the officer was just being, he was just being mean. I was in the perimeter of my home. I allowed an unlicensed driver to drive, of course. I was in excruciating pain. That's why I was in the car with the non-licensed driver, because we were on my way to emergency because it was the New Year's and the pharmacy had closed. So I had no way of getting my pain medication but to try to go to the hospital. And
keep on, Miss Gray. You buttering them up now. Keep on. Go ahead.
I'm not trying to butter it up. It's off.
No, you said
I'm not trying to butter it up.
Keep going. Keep going.
Okay, well, it's all facts. I do have papers with me today to state what my condition was. I had spine surgery. I had rods put in my neck. I had a neck brace on. and I couldn't.
All right, Miss Gray.
Ideal.
He said it's not. He gives up. He gives up. No more. Mercy on him. All right. Please. All right, you win. All right, you win. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. Case dismissed. All cases dismissed. Mrs. Gray, I wish you the best of luck in your recovery. I hope that I see that the case. Hey, it was January 1st, 2021. So
it was New Year's Day.
Unlicensed driver.
Huh?
Tell her in the future she gotta find another thing.
Hey, in the future, you might have to catch the bus to the hospital then.
Yeah,
Uber or something.
I tiptoed down here today because I was like, they can't just do me like that. I don't have any tickets on my license. I've been driving clean. So I took a chance today. I can't even turn really I took the streets all the way there, and I can't really turn that good without turning my whole body to my left. So I thank you guys.
Yeah, you might need to get from behind that wheel today then and get on an Uber. All right.
Yes,
All right.
Thank you guys.
Based on that, the city attorney is willing to dismiss all the matters. And all I can say to you, Ms. Gray, is speedy recovery for you. And I hope to see you soon, just not in this capacity, all right?
Right. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day, okay? Be careful.
You have as well. Okay, thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Oh, bye.
All right, that seems like it.
That's everybody. Shut it down. Yes.
She should be down. Stop. I can't take no
this
more.
is
I got work
Jordan.
to do.
Hey, Mr. Jordan, Attorney Jordan,
Hello, who's that?
Attorney Goss.
Hey, how you doing?